Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Smitha and today I'm going to be showing you this very traditional wedding guest makeup look featuring beautiful sunset halo smoky eyes. So if you're ready, let's get started, and if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. As always, I'm starting with my eyebrows. I'm just using the Neutrogena eye pencil to fill in my brows because it's pretty light on my eyes, so I rather use it on my eyebrows. And then using a concealer, I'm going to clean up the borders of my eyebrows. I'm using the Elixir Pro Conceal in pure beige. And this brush is actually from e.l.f. It's an eyeliner brush which I use as a concealer brush. And then I will bring the concealer down to my lids as well as an eyeshadow base. I'm setting this base with some loose powder from Artistry. You can use any loose or translucent powder to set your lids, just so the concealer doesn't settle in those fine lines and crease. Now let's start building the halo eyes from the Karity Picante palette. I'm taking Bobby. This is going to be my transition color. With a blending brush, I'm going to just place this in the outer corner, and then I will place it in the inner corner, and then I will blend out the two corners before I join them through the crease. To deepen the corners and the crease, I'm taking Eyeliner with another blending brush. I'm going to repeat the previous step of placing it in the outer and inner corners and joining them through the crease and blending everything out. To fill in the gap that I left in the center of the lid, I'm using Morning and I'm going to be applying it with my finger. To prime my face, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Poreless Primer. I also have the Aveeno Moisturizer on that I applied about half an hour ago. For foundation, I'm going with the Covergirl Vitalist Healthy Elixir in 745. I'm just using my Sigma flat top kabuki brush to apply this. This foundation has an SPF of 20, so it's going to protect you from sun as well. I'm going to be cream contouring today because I want a subtle contour, nothing harsh. And for that, I'm going to be using Call Me Maple from Wet n Wild. And I'm going to blend everything out with the same flat top kabuki brush from Sigma. To highlight my high planes, I'm going to be using my Elixir Pro Conceal in pure beige. I'm going to be applying it directly, blending it out with a damp beauty sponge before I set it with the Smashbox press powder in number 5. You can also set your face with any translucent or loose powder, but just keep these 2 points in mind. One is choose a powder which has a yellow undertone. If you wear something that's very white, it can give you flashbacks, especially in pictures, and it looks really bad. Sometimes you see pictures of people where the face is really white and the neck is kind of darker than the face. That's because it's given you flashbacks. And second, choose something without talc in it. Talc can cause all kinds of allergies sometimes, and if it goes into your eyes can keep watering, so you want to avoid all that. Going back to my eye makeup, I started off applying eyelash, but then I realized there was a little bit of fallout, so I applied some loose powder underneath my eyes. And then I'm going to be using eyelash in the outer corner and the inner corner, and I'm going to blend out the two. And in the center, I'll be applying Morning, the gold pigment, just like I did with my lids. Using Fearless, I'm going to highlight my brow bones as well as inner corners. In my lower waterline, I'm using a black eye pencil from Au Natural, and then I'm going to line my top lash line using the NYX matte eyeliner in black. And for that traditional touch, I'm going to thicken my lower lash line with a black eyeshadow. I'm just going to stamp it right underneath my waterline. Next, I'm prepping my natural lashes for the false lashes by curling it and applying a coat of mascara. I'm using the Big Shot mascara from Maybelline. And for lashes, I'm choosing Ray Beauty today. These are cruelty-free lashes and the style is Aria, and I'm going to be attaching this with Star Lash Glue. And then I'm finishing up my eye makeup with a coat of mascara to my lower lashes. To add some warmth and dimension to my face, I'm using Paranoid. This is from the Urban Decay Sin Afterglow palette. For blush, I'm using Score. And to bring in some brightness and add an overall glow, I'm going to be using Spotlight to highlight my face. And for my lips, I'm going with the Sigma liquid lipstick in Foxglove. And finally, I'm setting my entire face with a setting spray just so the makeup stays in place. Got my bindi, my jewelry, my outfit, my accessories on, and I have a low bun with mogra in my hair as well. And here is the final look. There's so many weddings coming up this year, so I thought this look will be really useful, especially if you like a good traditional look like me. They are classic and they are timeless and they never go out of style. Comment below and let me know, and if you enjoyed watching this video, as always, don't forget to like and share, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. I post new videos every Tuesdays and Thursdays. All the products that I used today are listed in the description box right below this video. You'll also find links to my Instagram and Facebook there. Make sure you're following me there for all the inside scoop and behind the scenes pictures and videos. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new video. Bye guys.